What? Where does he live? Can I have the address?
Here you go, boy.
Oh, thanks, shoes. May I have an hour off?
Of course you can go, boy. You go.
Thank you so much. Oh, greeting, Mr. Penwala. How are you?
Hello, kid. I'm fine. You should have never left, boy. You shouldn't have left your mother and your sister to come here. Look how thin and sick you have grown here.
Well, there was nothing left for me to do there. My father sold our fishing boats long ago, and he sold our cows too. I have no work, just a small plot of land to grow vegetable in, too small. And now, a big factory is going to come up in Tal, and they will take up all our land. And it is said that there will be no fishing or farming left to do. I have to come to Bombay to find work.
You can find work and anywhere. Remember, as long as you can use your hand, you can find work for them, and you have to be willing to learn and to change, to grow. If they take away your land, you will have to learn to work in their factory instead. If you can't stop it, you must learn to use it. Don't be afraid, kid.
Well, our elder said only engineer with degree from college will get work there, and they will not need fishermen and farmers like us. We will not get jobs.
Yeah, perhaps. But there will be other works besides factory. You can get a work as a builder or even a road maker. When they are at a building stage, later the engineers or a mechanic will come to live there in a new housing colony. And they will need a people to work for them like you. They will even need food too, vegetable, and meal, or even fruit or ages. You will find you can sell everything, like vegetable you grow and even the coconut. Perhaps you will be able to buy a cow or chicken and make a living from them. Yeah, yes. Start to think about it, Harry. There will be plenty of work. They will even bring watches and clocks with them for you to repair. So, after all, your watchmaking skill would be useless. Perhaps one day you will even own the first watch repair shop in Toul. What do you say to that? Okay. Come, boy. Nothing remained the same. When our earth was covered with water, all creatures lived in it and throve. When the water subsided and land appeared, sea creatures grew out and learned to breathe and walk on the land. When the plant grew into the tree, they learned to climb them. When there were not enough plant left to eat, they learned to hunt and kill for the food. Don't think that is how things have remained. No, boy. They are still changing. They will go on changing, and if you want to survive, you will have to change too. Remember this. The wheel turns and turns and turns. It never stops and stands still. Look, even in Mumbai, it's not always the same. 15 years ago, there was a hills garden, beautiful places and villas, where you are now see slums, shop, traffic and crowd. Once I lived in the villa with the garden and roses and the fountain. Now I live in a pavilion rose over the railway station. So Harry the fisherman will be later become the Harry the poultry farmer, or even Harry the watchmender. You are lucky. You are young. You can change and learn and grow. Old people like me can't, but you can. I know you will, young man. I have faith in you.
Sir, I want to go back after the rain are over. I had better tell you now, in case you want to find someone to take my place.
When? Stay till Diwali. Then my brother will come from my village to help me. Till then, stay.
Chaku won't let me go to Tal till Diwali, Mr. Panwala.
No, don't look so sad, boy. Diwali will be there here before you even know it. Look up at the sky. The clouds are rolling away. Coconut Day will be there soon. And then it will be Diwali next. So many festivals, one after another. I think it's a good idea to go home at Diwali, the best day in the whole year. Till then, you can stay here and learn. And I have so much to teach you still. You did that watch I gave you yesterday perfectly. When the owner comes to fix it, I will make him pay you for it. But there is more to learn. Look at this one that has come from Japan. Electronic seat. In my old age, I have to learn about a new kind of watch. You can learn too. Sit down. With your hand, young man, don't cry. I am going to open it now. Look.
Yes, sir. Mr. Panwala, you are celebrating Coconut Day and Diwali, and yet you are not Hindu, are you? I think you are Parsi, and you only celebrate Parsi festival, right?
No, boy. Why would be fun of that? Why would I miss the fun all of the Hindu and Muslim festivals? I believe in sharing everything, enjoying everything. That is why I have so much fun. No sad for me, huh? Pay to this boy, Harry. Well, aren't you pleased? Would you smile?
Well, before I go home, I will buy presents for my sister. I will save all my watch money for that.
Here is a coconut, boy. You can keep your money for a present for your family.
Hey, it's mine.
So you have become a real city boy at last, huh? You have learned to push and fight your way with the city boy, haven't you, Harry? I never thought I would see you do such a thing. Now you can manage it now. I can see that I don't have to worry about you anymore.
Thank you.